Now let's prepare the carrots for our cake. I washed the carrots before the peeling, but you can do it afterwards too. I just take the peeler and quickly peel the carrots and cut both ends. For carrot juice, sometimes you leave the peel on, but for a cake I prefer to take the peel off. I wanted to mention that if you don't have a fruit processor, you can always grind it with a grater by hand, and we need to measure 2 cups of grinded carrots. It's about 2 cups.